Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will be discussing how to identify the most valuable feature of your project, or as in MVP you can say. This stands for you can say like minimal value viable product. It's a great way to you can say express what exactly you want to achieve in the later future with your product that you're trying to build, and it is extremely required, as in you can understand like you will have to, like, let's say if you want to pitch this particular idea that you have to some investor or someone you want to, like, you can say like want to let them know about what you're trying to build, and maybe you, if they are interested, they can as well contribute. MVP is something that you use, you can say, attract others in order to, you can say, generate revenue or maybe some other purpose. So that's basically what an idea, what exactly MVP is all about. To start with, as in mostly what happens in general when people start with a project or new project, what they do, they identify a lot of, you can say, things that they want to implement. Assuming, let's say, if you want to build something, some sort of application which is similar to Netflix, you want to implement the best possible scenario of how to stream a video, right? That's basically what the Netflix is all about, streaming videos. However, like they have a lot of other features. Now if you try to incorporate all of them at the same time, it is kind of you can say not really easy. What exactly happens in that scenario? Or maybe some people who have started with this project, they start with a lot of great ideas at the same time, and as there are a lot of ideas that they want to do, they think of ways to make it better at the first time, like basically on the first attempt, which is actually not true. In case of software engineering, as in, you know that when you're trying to build a project, it's not the first time you will get everything right. And what happens, they certainly start losing interest in the product, as in they think like it has been like it has passed let's say 5-10 days, and you're still like stuck with some feature that you were not able to build, and in that case it's sort of heartbreaking, and then you sort of start losing interest in. And that's basically what happens in general with people, and that's how great some of the great ideas that are coming to your mind, or coming in your mind, like getting dropped. Basically that's what in general is the problem. Now, moving with that to how you can solve it, as I mentioned, like if you want to build a clone of Netflix or whatever, like any particular product you can take, it could be an e-commerce website or it could be anything. But the majorly what there is going to be one single thing that you want to build or you want to achieve for the product. And for in case of the Netflix clone, you can say you will have a video streaming service where you can stream a particular video at even for low, you can say, like you can say like for networks where network connectivities are not really great. I think that's what I'm trying to say. What happens is that's basically what the idea is, and you can build it. It's like I think it should take at least 2-3 hours for someone to build a small website with a page, HTML page, and a node server, or maybe you can use any particular backend technology and frameworks, whatever works with you. However, like as in that's basically what you need, like a good 2-3 hours of research in case if you are not aware of what to build and how to build. And then you can start building on top of the idea. Like you just need a video streaming service, and you can start with a single video in the first place. So that's basically what it is all about, how to identify the MVP. Now, it sounds a little straightforward, that this is really easy. However, majorly what happens is that people do start with the same idea that they will follow, but eventually they drop it just because they were, like, you can say, occupied with some other things, or maybe on the same project they were building a lot of things at the same time, which is a common problem, and it can be tackled with focusing on one particular thing at a time and not multitasking, uh, which is uh, which is, I think, a good approach when you're actually starting with a new project. Because if you're multitasking on a lot of things, will eventually you will end up with nothing in your hand. So yeah, basically that's what the whole idea is. Okay. So on that note, we'll start with the, you can say, the building process of a small video streaming service in the next video, and we'll see some coding as well in that. So thanks a lot for watching, and yeah, see you next time.